Good morning, teachers. So, wait natin ang iba, mga teachers. So, sa mga September takers, good morning, everyone. I'm audible ba? So, paki-comment nga kung naririnig nyo ako, everyone. Just comment kung naririnig nyo, guys, ang aking boses. Hello, mga September takers. Just comment nga po if naririnig nyo ako. Thank you, Nika, for following. Thank you so much. So, just comment po if naririnig po ang boses ko. Thank you, ma'am. So, September takers ka po ba? Thank you, Ma'am Annie, for following. So, calling all September takers, just join with us free live no sa ating general education. So, today magla-live tayo ng ating diagnostic. So, be sure na mag-attend kayo, everyone. Mag-follow, everyone. So last Sunday, no, tapos na po ang ating mga March takers. So sasabak na naman ulit tayo this September. Thank you for following, everyone. Just comment, everyone, kung kayo ay makukuha ng board exam this September. And baka gusto nyo po mag-join sa aming group chat batch 2. Batch 2 na po tayo since September na po. September takers, calling all September takers. Mag-join na kayo sa ating group chat. Magpa-member na kayo, everyone. Free reviewer. Thank you so much, everyone. Magpa-member na kayo, everyone, sa ating group chat. All September takers. Alright, we will start by item number 1. So, hahabol na lang siguro ang ibang takers natin this September. Kasi yung mga March taker natin na member, so meron kaming group chat na mga March takers. So, tapos na sila. Hopefully na hindi na sila magti-take ulit this September. So, another batch na naman tayo, everyone, sa pag-join. Magpa-member na kayo sa aming group chat. General education, professional education, mga final coaching, pre-board, mock board, same with this diagnostic test na naka-Google form. Shall we start with item number 1? This is part 1. Part 1 natin ang diagnostic general education. Message lang, ma'am, here sa TikTok. Since andito kayo ngayon sa ating group chat, 50 pesos na lang ang ating pa-member fee. This is promo. Promo po natin ito this month. Kasi next month, April, magwa 100 pesos na tayo sa pagpa-member sa ating group chat. As of now, magpa-member na kayo, everyone. Hi, hello po, Jess. Please follow, everyone. Alright, with item number 1, the reporter was accused in a court because of his new story. The story was A. Tainted with malice, A. Narration of facts, C. Too personal to take, D. Full of distorted facts. Just comment your answer, September takers. Alright, I see a lot of letter A. Kayo ba ay magte-take this September? Lahat ba dito ay magte-take this September? Mag-comment nga. Yes, this is general education for September takers. So pasadahan na natin hangga't maaga, no, para secure ang lisensya this September. So kakatapos lang ng ating mga March takers. So continue tayo sa ating mga September kasi maraming nag-aabang ng mga September takers. Alright, so your answer is letter A. Pero may nakikita akong letter B, the narration of facts. Ayan, thank you so much, Sir Fards. Shout out kay Sir Fards. Siya po ay isang member namin sa batch 1. Nag-take na po sila ng LET this March. Alright, the correct answer from this number 1 would be letter D po ang tamang sagot, full of distorted facts. Hindi po tainted with malice, hindi po thank you so much for the rose. Okay lang na magkamali kasi this is diagnostic lang naman. Thank you, Sir Fards. Thank you so much. Ikaw po ay papasa na this March at hindi na uulit this September. Yes, the correct answer po is letter D, hindi po letter A at letter B. So since diagnostic lang naman po ito, it's okay lang na magkamali. Kasi i-rationalize natin to sa ating group chat, no? Meron exclusive na video or discussion regarding this item. Make sure na magpa-member kayo guys sa ating batch 2 na group chat. Number 2, yes. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jessica, for following. Thank you so much, Sir Fards. Special mention tayo natin si Sir Fards. Isa siya sa mga member namin dito sa aming group chat. Batch 1 sila. The hostage victims were heard asking the rescuer to hold on the fort. What was the message? A. Disregard the peace negotiation. B. Rescue them fast and early. C. Surrender in arms. D. Keep on with the fight. Keep on with the fight. Drop your answer, teachers. Alright, may nakikita kong letter B kay Sir Sip 2/5. Bongga yung kanyang pangalan, 2/5. Sip 2/5. Please follow everyone, those September takers. Kung sa mga magse-self-review na hindi afford ang mga review center, dito na lang muna kayo sa amin. Same lang naman yung mga content na binibigay namin dito. Yes, thank you so much for Joe's Art for following. Thank you so much. Comment your answer, teachers. September takers. Thank you, Renan, for following. Alright, so hindi na sumasagot yung ating mga teachers. Alright, the correct answer from item number 2 would be sure. Yes po. Kukuha ka po ba this September, Ma'am Rolexine? If kukuha ka po ng board exam this September, magpa-member ka na po sa aming group chat para at least makasabay ka sa ating review session. The early you prepared, the more knowledge you earn, di ba? Yes, manifesting ka, Sir TLE. Sa aming group chat, may mga TLE din doon. May mga reviewer kami for TLE, the Industrial Arts, the TLE ICT, di ba may ICT yung TLE? The ano pa ba? Maraming scope yan, ang TLE. Alright, the correct answer, yes. It's letter D po ang tamang sagot. Keep on with the fight. Letter D po ang tamang sagot natin for number 2. I understand kung maraming nagkakamali this session because this is diagnostic lang naman, no. Iti-test natin kung meron kayong alam, ganon. Pero at least, no, sa susunod yung encounter na mga question na ganito, hindi na kayo magkamali, everyone. Just tap the screen and follow, everyone. Number 3. Why are the Filipino overseas workers considered modern time heroes? Gusto mo na pong hindi mo na makita yung mga ganito, like ganyan po bang ibig mong sabihin, Ma'am Vanessa? Ano po ba yung ibig mong sabihin? Paano po like ma-aware? Like hindi mo na makikita ang mga ganitong live, mga ganon? A, they become broad-minded, skilled, and economically stable. B, they have helped stabilize Philippine economy. C, they come Ay, sorry, hindi pala ako naka-inform. Hala, sorry talaga ga. Ay, oo nga pala, no, hindi ako naka-inform. Don't worry, ma'am, i-ano ko po ito, recorded siya. Recorded ito. Marire-watch mo po ito. Don't worry. Meron kasi akong inihandang meron po kasing inihandang diagnostic na Google form po sa inyo, sa ating group chat. Yun po ang gagamitin nyo. Doon nyo po malalaman kung meron kayong knowledge, stock knowledge. Yes, ma'am, magpa-member kayo, just message lang ako dito sa TikTok, everyone. Message nyo lang ako dito sa TikTok. Alright, the correct answer from this item number 3, yes po, letter B. This question po lumabas noong March 2025, Gen Ed 2025, lumabas ang ganitong question, which is maraming nagkamali because they answered letter D, which is they sacrifice all the family life and economies just to improve their quality of life. However, ang tamang sagot po is they have helped stabilize Philippine economy. Kasi nakakatulong yung Filipino workers, yung mga OFW natin sa tax, di ba? Para maiangat yung ang Philippine economy. Even though nagsasacrifice, even though nahihirapan yung ating mga OFW na magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. My goodness. Thank you so much, everyone. Keep following, everyone. Yes po. Message nyo lang ako, everyone. May promo tayo ngayon sa ating since April ngayon, mamimigay tayo ng 50 pesos na lang this time. Kasi back to tomorrow, back to 100 tayo ulit. Alright? So, kung solo ka, 50 pesos na lang. Kung nanggaling ka dito sa aming live, all you need to do is to screenshot ang ating live, mag-follow, and then follow nyo din yung aming Facebook page. Then message nyo po kami dito sa TikTok or doon sa Facebook page. Send the screenshot para ma-join na kayo namin sa group chat. Next one, yan po yung ating rationalization regarding for our item number 3. So the Philippines is the fourth largest recipient of foreign remittance, with remittance from OFW as the second largest source of country foreign reserves. The Estrada administration, jujuju. So wag na natin tong palaliman pa kasi diagnostic test pa lang naman po ito. So i-discuss natin to later on in the next few days kung kailan na magsa-start na talaga yung ating session, everyone. Number 4, this aming pong group chat is good sa mga nagsi-self-review. So yung mga may extra lang time. Yes, nakakaano talaga unpredictable yung lumabas this proof ed. Nakaka-shock, maraming bumulaga sa proof ed. My goodness. Thank you, Annie Ann, for following. Thank you so much. Sino ba dito ang mga September takers? Ganyan talaga, ma'am, si PRC. Palaging nanggugulat. Yes, si Triumph. Unpredictable po yung mga natin question. This is diagnostic pa lamang po ito, Ma'am Nerissa. Pero may mga collection na po kami ng mga questions na lumabas this March. Nasa files na namin. So ibibigay siya namin in the last month of this season. Like for example, September ang take. Ibibigay namin yung mga possible na nalalabas by August. So, sa mga member lang, sa mga magpa-member. So, if you want, kung hindi ka po, kung meron kang time, magpa-member ka na po sa aming group chat. Yes, the correct answer from number 4, the majority failed to get the group support. That is our answer number 4. From the question, the report from the Congress registered rejection and the purpose bill. This means blank. The majority failed to get the group support. Number 5. Sure, secure mo na po. Feel mo, Ma'am Elika. Secure mo na ba yung iyong spot this March passers? Kasi mafe-feel mo yan kapag lumabas ka na ng exam room. Mafe-feel mo if pasado ka or not, 'di ba? Wala kang pag-aalinlangan, mga ganon. Form the sentence. 1, the senator. 2, as a legislator. 3, although he raised his voice. 4, accepted several amendments. Which is the best arrangement? So, i-arrange nyo daw ang tamang pagkakasunod-sunod ng ating mga sentence. Comment your answer, everyone. September takers. Letter A. Thank you, Ma'am Lizelle Makit. Thank you for following. Thank you so much. The correct answer would be perfect, ma'am. Letter A, which is mauuna ang as a legislator, comma, the senator accepted several amendments although he raised his voice. Perfect. Tama po ang sagot mo, Ma'am Lizelle. It's letter A po ang tamang sagot. Thank you, John Ray, for following. Thank you so much. Number 6, which the following line is a simile? Very basic. Alin daw ang simile sa ating options? A. Holding wonder like a cup. B. Life has a loneliness to sell. C. Eyes that love you, arms that hold you. D. Buy it and never count the cost. Yes, perfect kayo dyan. The correct answer is letter A. Gumagamit ng like, ng as, mga ganon. Simile, 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 simile. Oh, but may letter D, eyes that love you, arms that hold you. Hindi po simile yan. Letter A po ang tamang sagot, Sir Timog. Kasi from the word na like, that is simile. Number 7, the Bible goes for parallelism. Yes, it's like. It says, blessed are the poor, for there is the kingdom of heaven. This means the heaven is not only for the rich, but also for the poor. Poor man. B. Poor spirit can be an open gate to heaven. C. Poorness in spirit is not a way to hell. Letter D. The poor can become rich. What would be our answer, teachers? Try lang. Wala ditong wrong answer kasi this is diagnostic. Drop your answer, try lang, everyone. Magpa-member na kayo sa aming group chat, everyone, kasi magsa-start na tayo ng ating session by this April. Message nyo lang ako dito, guys, sa TikTok. Batch 2, calling all the takers September na gusto magpa-member sa batch 2. Kasi tapos na po ang ating batch 1. Nakapag-take na sila. Ano pong resibo? What do you mean po na resibo? Yes, the correct answer. Perfect kayo dyan. Letter B. Diba? Nakakatama pa rin kayo, everyone. Kahit papaano. At least ngayon, na iti-test nyo ang self nyo kung paano atakihin yung questions. So, ang mga question na po ito ay mga lumabas noong 2024 and 2025. So, ang ating mga test within 2026 po, ano pa po natin yan sa ating susunod na ating mga session. Okay. Ay, lagbat ganun. Hindi ba kayo allowed na kumuha ng TOR? It's either na hindi kayo kukuha or kukuha kayo ng board exam. My God. Try mo lang, ma'am. Ano lang, i-join ka namin sa group chat. And then try mo lang screenshot yung ating group chat. May nakalagay din naman sa ating group chat na review center sa ating group chat. So it's good naman siguro yon. Enough naman siguro yon na ipakita mo na ikaw ay kukuha this September. Number 8, at the Philippine General Hospital, doctor reported on the abandoned patient. So ano ba ang ating abandoned patient? So sad naman ang kanyang school, ma'am, kasi sa amin kahit hindi ka magkukuha ng board exam, kasi record mo yan eh. Ba't nila hiho-hold? A. The patient do not have permanent address. The patient cannot afford to pay their bill. The patient are left by doctors. The patient are left behind by relatives. So what would be our correct answer? So nakikita kong letter D ang mga sagot. Let's try. Perfect. Letter D ang tamang sagot. The patient are left behind by relatives. Yes po, yes. Naka-take ka na po ba, ma'am? Hindi ko kasi mabasa ang pangalan mo kasi Japanese. Nakakuha ka na po ba ng exam last March 2026 or kukuha pa lang this September? Nakuha ka na. Yes, manifesting po. Rest ka na po. Ini-expose mo pa ang self mo sa mga ganito, mas stress ka lang. Just enjoy yourself na kasi tapos na po ang laban mo. Mag-relax ka na, ma'am. Thank you, Mima, for following. Also, JJ, thank you so much for following. Next, number 9. The death of men in the mine was caused by... Sana all. Kasi ako, after ko po. Kasi after namin kumuha ng board exam noon, hindi na talaga kami nag-expose sa mga ganito. We need peace of mind. Peace of mind. So sad naman, ang mahal pa naman mag-enroll sa mga review center. Umaabot ng 10,000. Most especially kapag hindi ka Latin honor. Kasi kapag may Latin honor, may po yan eh. May discount. I think like 50%, 75% discount, mga ganun. The death of men in the mine was caused suffocation, lethal smell, erosion, darkness. So, tingnan natin dito kung merong makatama ang sagot. Kasi last time, maraming nagkamali dito. Alam ko kung ano yung nasa isip nyo, kung ano yung answer na nakikita nyo. Pero ang sagot dito ay suffocation po. It's letter A po, suffocation. I know na ang sagot nyo is erosion kasi sa Mina, di ba Mina? But the correct answer is suffocation. Merong explanation yan, be. Pero lang natin yan sa aming group chat. Sa aming kasi diagnostic pa lamang po ito. Tinetest lang naman yung inyong mga stock knowledge. Pero thank you so much for trying to answer this. Thank you so much. Number 10. Hindi po darkness. A time patient is indefatigable in promoting political truth. The question means, kung napapansin nyo guys, medyo proof ed type, parang proof ed type yung ating gen ed sa ating diagnostic. Please follow everyone sa mga September takers. Please follow everyone para updated kayo sa ating mga pa-free live dito every day. Kapag magsa-start na tayo sa ating session, every day na po tayo dito magla-live from Gen Ed to Prof Ed to Majorship. Sino si Dola? Thank you, Ma'am Tyne, for following. AI. Balo kayo. Nag-aano kayo sa AI? Yes po. Letter A is our correct answer. A hero practices political truths. Letter A po ang tamang sagot natin. This item number 10. Hindi po lahat reliable si AI. May mga question talaga na hindi akma sa AI. Dapat alam nyo yon. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon tama si AI. The death of the kidnapper victims by the terrorist was considered A. Deviation from protocol, B. Revenge for atrocities of civilians, C. A neglect of priorities, letter D. An affront to the leadership. Kaway-kaway sa mga Filipino major. Sino ba dito ang Filipino major? Mag-comment nga. Our group chat is good for you talaga. The death of kidnapper victims. Good. Meron kaming mga English reviewer based sa mga new TOS. Sagot na namin ang inyong English major, Filipino major, Math major, ano pa bang nandoon? Soksay major. Siyempre, ang pinaka-importante the BE Ed. Kasi Prof Ed lang naman at saka Gen Ed ang kanila. Thank you, Ryan, for following. Yes, the correct answer is letter D, Delta, an affront to the leadership. Again, it's okay lang magkamali kasi this is diagnostic, meaning to say, tinitest po ang inyong mga stock knowledge. 11. How much money did you bring for shopping? Maraming nagkabali dito last time. A. I have some change in my purse. B. None, but I have a credit card. C. I have 500 pesos inside the envelope in cash I have was spent at the grocery store yesterday. Are you sure it's letter, ano bang mahaba dyan? Letter D? Ayan, may mga sumasagot ng letter B. Tingnan natin mamaya if letter B nga ba ang tamang sagot. Tap nyo guys. Malapit na tayo mag 2,000 hearts. Please tap everyone. I-tap nyo na ang screen. Free lang naman yan mag-tap. And please follow me everyone for more discussion here sa ating live. Ayan. So, yung ating Prof Ed, i-discuss natin siya in aside from English, ita-translate natin siya into Filipino para mas para mas madali pang maunawaan ng mga viewers natin yung Prof Ed type, most especially yung mga type of curriculum, type of assessment, ano pa ba? yung mga philosophies of education, mga ganon. So, yan po ang ating discussion sa ating group chat. Hopefully na kayo ay magpa-member sa aming group chat. Yes po, letter B, congratulations sa mga tama ang sagot. None, but I have a credit card. Thank you so much sa mga nakatama sa item number 12. It's okay, sir. Magpahinga ka na po. Tapos na po ang laban nyo. Let go and let God na po. 13. Adults acquire new words and experience primary through A. Casual explanation from peers. B. Formal instruction in school. Thank you, Ma'am Ellie. C. Exposure to their use. Letter D. Use of thesaurus. Alam niyo ba yung thesaurus? Something like ano siya, parang dictionary wherein meron siyang translator. Ginagamit ano to, usong-uso to mga 2015, 2014, ay 2015, 2016, 2017, mga ganyang year. Very famous si thesaurus that year. Yes, the correct answer is letter C, exposure to their use. Again, everyone, sa mga September taker, please, magpa-member na kayo sa ating group chat, everyone, for the review. Sa mga hindi afford, sa mga malalaking review center, our group chat is open for you guys. So start tayo this April, mas early, mas better, para at least marami pa tayong maitatakol na mga discussion, and then maihanda talaga kayo sa September examination. 14, medyo mahaba yung tanong. Try to read muna, everyone. Take your time. Thank you, M, for following, everyone. Tap the screen, everyone. Thank you, Laika Jurada, for following. Thank you so much, ma'am. A readability mismatch happen when the reading level of books exceed the reading level of the student. In this situation, the student experience frustration and they fall short of the expected of desired output. A student who finds himself or herself in such mismatch while likely to do with the following. So, ang pinpoint dyan ay nagkakaroon ng mismatch. Try lang, guys. Try nyo lang i-drop ang answer na nyo, na feel nyo na tama. Walang mali dito, everyone, ha. Kasi this is diagnostic. Diagnostic, tinitest lang ang stock knowledge. What would be your answer? Tap the screen, everyone. Yes, the correct answer is letter A. Present an argument that the selection or story read was not properly written. Congratulations sa mga nakatama, sa mga nagkamali. It's okay. No worries. Again, this is diagnostic only. Diagnostic. 15. An electric industrial. Sir, kamusta daw po ang exam ng Filipino major? Yes po, paldo po sila sa majorship po. Paldo po ang mga Filipino major sa last March 2026. If you want, kung gusto mo malaman ang mga lumabas, magpa-member ka sa aming group chat. Same sila ng English major, paldo din ang English major. Ewan ko yung math, hindi ako nakapagtanong sa math. Pero isa lang ang masasabi ko, nahirapan daw sila sa Prof Ed. Iba yung technique na lumabas sa Prof Ed. Kaya dapat paghandaan natin ang September 2026. Thank you, Antoinette. Ayan, masakit talaga. Mas masakit pa sa kanya, di ba? Tap the screen, everyone. Calling all September takers. Magpa-member na kayo sa aming group chat, everyone. An electric industrial company has developed a computer program. Ayan si Sam Crystal, nagbabalik ang ating dating mga member sa batch 1. Can you use photograph or faces to predict how an unborn child will look like? Sana all nasakal. Ayan. Huwag mo mampakabahan dito yung ating mga September takers. Baka mag-overthink. Mag-rest ka na, ma'am. Just enjoy your life. After, tapos na yung laban nyo. Mag-coffee ka, magdagat ka, lumangoy ka sa dagat crystal. Para makuha yung overthink. Yes po, it's letter A again. Computer analyze facial characteristic from the photograph. Yes po, lahat po ng pangalan nyo ay nakaukit na sa listahan ng ating March 2026 let passers. So wag ka na mag-overthink, ma'am. Rest mo na ang self mo. Tapos na po ang laban nyo. Focus na tayo dito sa sa mga September. Go, be, lumangoy ka, be. 16. According to the current linguistic theories, which of the following is the best definition of the meaning of a word? General dictionary definition is objection to which it refer, corresponding idea in the mind, the use of particular situation. Thank you, Raybert, for following. Yes po. Hopefully na kayong mga batch 1 na member sa group chat natin, hindi na uulit this September. Sabay-sabay kayong papasa at sabay-sabay kayong mag-o-taking this June 2026. Thank you, Jeremy Libara, for following. Thank you so much, sir. Keep following me, everyone, for more session, for more let reviews dito sa TikTok. Please follow, everyone. Yes, the correct answer would be letter D po, the use of particular situation. It would be letter D po ang tamang sagot. Thank you so much sa mga nagpo-follow. Thank you so much. And then sa mga nagkamali, no worries kasi diagnostic lang ito. Diagnostic meaning to say stock knowledge lang ninyo. Weaknesses and strength lang po ang tinitest dito. Make sure na magpa-member kayo sa group chat para maka-join kayo sa aming session this April. Formal na session na this April. Magpa-member na kayo, everyone. Message nyo lang ako dito sa TikTok para ma-add kayo namin sa group chat. 17. How much people react to a boring lecture? paano daw nagre-react, no? Kapag boring ang lecturer. Like for example, in a committee hearing, anong ginagawa? Nag-walk out ba? Nag-normally cheer ba? Nag-keep quiet and listen ba? Or clap loud and cheer? Ligwak na sila 30, no? Bastos naman siguro kapag boring ang teacher, bigla ka na lamang nag-clap at saka nagsigaw-sigaw dyan. Letter C, keep quiet and listen. Hala, ba't letter D, be? Sabi ko nga, ligwak na si letter D. May nakita kong correct answer kanina, pero bigla na lamang siya nag-change ng answer. Ayan, meron akong nakikitang correct answer, pero mas marami yung mali. Yes po, it's letter A po. Normally, jeer po. Normally, jeer. Yes po, letter A po ang tamang sagot. Ayan ha. Okay lang naman, diagnostic pa lang naman ito. Don't worry. Number 18. Please follow everyone for more review session dito sa TikTok at saka sa aming group chat. Please follow everyone. Marami pang hindi naka-follow. Please follow na everyone. What is the reaction of the shop teacher upon seeing the tools scattered? So, anong mostly yan na magiging reaction? First, leave your tools alone. Iiwan na lang ba kaagad? B, that's very kind of you. C, return your tools to the proper clerk. Letter D, it's alright. You may go. Bongga, it's alright. You may go. Yes, you are all correct, teachers. Return your tools to the proper clerk. Property clerk. Thank you so much. At least may idea kayo. Thank you so much sa mga nagpa-follow. Sir Ali, Ma'am AB, Miss Ingrid. Thank you so much. Special shout out po sa inyong lahat. Yes, lahat po ng mga nagpa-follow, i-manifest natin sa September na kayo rin po ang susunod na papasa. A father refused revenge when he uttered. Na-refuse daw ni father ang pag-revenge when he uttered. A, that's murder. B, justice is always delayed. I agree with this. Justice is always delayed, no? Especially kapag wala kang pera, manahimik ka na lang. C, an eye for an eye. D, don't take the law in your hands. What would be our answer? Are you sure it's letter B? Kasi sinabi ko na I agree. What I mean, in reality po, kung ibabase tayo sa reality, sa realidad, ang justice talaga ay palaging delayed, di ba? Ewan ko ba kung meron kayong, kung napanood nyo po or nakaabot po sa inyo yung balita regarding sa members ng LGBT, yung si Jason, na binaril siya. So, hinahanap pa until now, hinahanap pa yung justice. Alam nyo ba ang anong issue na yon? Yung kay Jason, na binaril siya. Nakaabot ba sa inyo? Yes po, the correct answer would be letter D po. Don't take the law in your hands. Ayan. Nakakaawa lang kay Jason, no? Binaril siya habang nasaan ba yun? Banda, namimili siya ng namimili siya ng damit ata yun. I'm not sure. Walang 20. Direct tayo sa 21, be. Thank you, Sarvani, for following. Thank you so much. When a leader is succeeded by another leader, the former is referred to as blank. Very confusing. When a leader is succeeded by another leader, the former leader is referred to as the blank president. Yes, ma'am, don't worry. At least tapos na po kayo. Tapos na ang laban nyo. Secure na po ang pangalan nyo sa ating passers this May 2026. Abangan na natin yung resulta. No, si Ma'am Kylie, everyone, member siya namin sa aming group chat. And then here, palagi siyang nanonood po ng aming session dito. Thank you, Ma'am Kylie. Hopefully na po na kayo na po ang susunod na mga passers natin. Ano ba ang tamang sagot? Is it disposed pa? Hello, Joshua. Tapos na ba ang laban mo, Joshua? Thank you, Adeng, for following. Dispose, dethrone, replace, or elected. Yes, don't worry kasi diagnostic pa lamang ito. Okay lang na hindi nyo alam. Yes po, replace po. Replace president. Kasi pinalitan na siya, di ba? Kasi former leader na siya eh. Yes, na-replace na po siya. 22. Thank you so much, Joshua, for sending the rose. Very appreciated. Loss of qualified teacher. Thank you, Joshua, for joining my fan club. Loss of qualified teacher going abroad is one type of blank. Migration ba? Brain drain ba? Employment ba? Unemployment. Ano po ito siya? Under po ito ng ating contemporary world. Ano ba to ang tawag dito? Yung mga issue. Yes, sir. Mahirap talaga ang proof ed. Are you sure it's migration? Again, pag sinabi nating migration, moving one place to another place. Meron tayong international migration at yung national migration. Pag sinabi nating national migration, dito lang from Iloilo, lumipat ng Manila. From Manila, lumipat ng Cebu. Kapag international migration naman, kapag Philippines nag-migrate to Hong Kong, country by country through international. Oh, maraming ice cream. Thank you so much, Sir Joshua. Thank you so much for the ice cream. Yummy. Yes po, it's brain drain po. Brain drain po ang tamang sagot natin. It talks about loss of qualified teacher going abroad. It's letter B. Letter B po ang tamang sagot. Please follow everyone, follow. No worries kapag kamali, it's okay kasi diagnostic pa lamang po ito. Tinitest lang naman ang stock knowledge at saka weaknesses nyo at strength. And then again, we are now open po. Magpa-member kayo sa aming group chat for review session. Kung hindi nyo afford ang mga malalaking review center, magpa-member kayo here sa ating group chat. Batch 2. Kasi tapos na pong batch 1. Nakatake na sila last March 2026. Ngayon, batch 2 na tayo. Message nyo lang po kami dito. During army conscription, the candidate should be mentally and physically fit, B, converted citizen, C, physically fit, D, a citizen. Ang mga question na po ito ay lumabas noong 2025 March po. Combinations ng 2024 at saka 2025. Kaya kung napapansin nyo yung Gen Ed, this is Gen Ed ha, baka sabihin nyo Prof Ed to. Medyo siya Prof Ed type. Mentally and physically fit. converted citizen, physically fit, a citizen. Yes, the correct answer would be letter A po, mentally and physically fit. During the army conscription, dapat the candidate should be mentally and physically fit. Thank you, Fish. Wow, bakit Fish? Bakit Fish yung pangalan mo, be? Again, yung rationalization natin is i-discuss siya sa ating group chat sa mga member, sa mga nagpa-member. Kasi dito diagnostic lang naman ito, guys. 24. New edifice in Intramuros are protested against as a blank. New edifice in Intramuros are protested against as a blank. Wait, be. Lahat ba dito ay kukuha this September? Mga September takers na ba ang nandito? So, as ngayon pa lamang mamimigay na tayo ng dust, sending dust, no? Sa ating mga September takers. Mag-comment lang po ang inyong pangalan. Lagyan nyo lang ng LPT. Isa-shoutout ko po kayo dito sa ating live. Sa mga September takers, comment lang ang inyong pangalan. Lagyan ng LPT at isa-shoutout natin dito sa live. Yes po, letter D po ang tamang sagot, destruction of historical landmarks. Hello, Carl. Yes po, may mga nakatama. Congratulations. Sa mga nagkamali, it's okay pa din. Ano ba yung 67? Hindi ko yan, hindi ako aware for that. Carl, ano bang 67? Yes, Ma'am Queenie, message niyo lang po ako dito sa sa group sa TikTok, ma'am. Message niyo lang po ako dito sa TikTok. Ewan ko ba sa inyo? Some media personalities are charged of corruption. They are charged as commissioner, envelopmentalist, charger, or fixers. So just comment everyone, tap the screen. Medyo kinaya naman nila yung social studies. Yung kay Trumps po yung nakafocus yung ating And then sa ating Filipino major is I think sa Rizal, si Doña Victorina po ang bida-bida sa ating Rizal last Sunday. Yes po, fixer po ang tamang sagot. Fixers, not commissioners, not envelopmentalists, not a chargers. It's a fixers. Fixers po ang tawag sa kanila. It's letter D po. 26. Thank you so much sa mga nakatama, sa mga nagkamali, it's okay. It's diagnostic pa lamang po ito. Diagnostic pa lamang ito. Magpa-member na everyone sa aming group chat. How do countries register dislike or disagreement of another country discussion through diplomatic means? File a diplomatic protest, recall all its nations, declare war immediately, retaliate by arresting national of other country. Ba't dalawa ang sagot ni Anthony? Yes po, mahirap po ang Prof Ed natin this March kasi ginalingan talaga ni PRC. pinahirapan niya talaga ang mga takers. Kasi time namin, kami ang may pinaka-highest rating, di ba? Kung napapansin nyo, kung nabalitaan nyo, yung September 2025, ang may pinamaraming passers. Siguro nabulaga si PRC, kaya medyo hinirapan niya yung Prof. Ed ng March taker. But again, kahit gaano pa kahirap, si God na lang yung nakakaalam sa magiging resulta ng kanilang exam. Yes po, it's letter A, file a diplomatic protest. Tap the screen everyone, gawin nyo ng 5,000 yung ating hearts kung kaya. Again, kung kaya nyo everyone, gawin nyo ng 5,000 hearts ang ating Please help me everyone. Thank you Papa Boy for following. Professional education po, the Prof. Ed. That is one of the categories ng ating licensure examination for teachers. Hello, Aries. Thank you so much, Ma'am. Si Ma'am Aries, isa po siya sa mga member namin. Thank you, Ma'am Aries. Papasa na po sila this May 2026. Farmers were advised about the occurrence of El Nino. Farmers were advised about the occurrence. Okay lang yan, ma'am. At least tapos na ang laban nyo. Yes po, it's letter C po. There will be drought. Tagtuyot. El Nino di ba? It's a drought. 28. Workers in the service sector should train to act as blunt as possible. Courteously, covertly, curtly, rudely. Sino ba ditong sumagot ng rudely? Yes po, ma. Manifesting tayo dyan. And umabot na ng 5,000. Thank you so much everyone. This is a diagnostic lang naman. So, ibibigay namin ang aming Google Form test, diagnostic test na naka-Google Form. Isisend siya namin sa group chat para at least matest po ang ating mga member doon, ang kanilang stock knowledge, kung saan naabot yung kanilang mga natutunan during college, no? Para at least this April, makaka-start na tayo ng discussion sa ating session na sa ating review. Yes po, letter A po, courteously. Thank you, Zerk, for following. Angel, thank you so much for following also. #29, our guest of honor was a loquacious speaker. Yes po, maraming reviewer kami dito guys sa group chat. Magpa-member na everyone. Kung hindi mo kayang mag-enroll sa mga review center na malalaki, our group chat is open for you guys sa mga September takers. Guys, very famous to, ang tanong na to. The loquacious. Anong tawag dyan? Yes po, it's a verbose, not reserve. It's a verbose person. Verbose speaker. Thank you, Ma'am Ayi, for following. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ma'am Anning, for following also. This session is good for all September takers. The line from the Quran, who to very backbiter, talks of blank. So, try nyo lang mag-answer, guys. At least, diagnostic pa lamang po ito. Walang mali dito. Thank you, Ma'am Shenny. Please follow me, everyone, sa mga hindi pa naka-follow. Keep following me, everyone. Yes po, letter B po, boy. Misery those who talk ill of others. Perfect po kayo dyan. Kaya ba umabot ng 10,000 hearts? Kaya ba, guys? Kaya nyo bang paabutin ng 10,000 hearts ang ating live today? This is the first ever live na natin for September takers. Kasi last live natin, mga past live natin, nakafocus tayo sa March takers. Ngayon, this is the first live na para sa mga September takers. And good to know kasi lahat ng mga nandito i-blessed po. Thank you so much. Next, 31. Kaya ba, guys, umabot ng 10,000? Yung may pinakamataas na heart namin dito last time is 100 plus K. Thank you, Amore, for following. Why Filipino trait of pakikisama said to be ambivalent? Pakikisama. It makes people show their concern for others. It can be used for against the person who value it. It encourages a person to do wrong. Letter D, it helps person develop a good values. Pakikisama traits. So, ano ba ang pakikisama traits? That would be, yes, that it's something negative po. Kasi it can be used for against the person who values it. Gagamitin niya lamang ang yung parang yung pakikisama yung parang friend mo na kapag nag-away kayo, tapos gagamitin niya yung mga sikreto mo laban sa'yo. Diba? Mga ganong mga scenario sa buhay. Yung makikisama lang siya sa'yo. Mga ganon, guys. 32. Which is the undying musical movie that depicts the story of a nun named Maria, which brought back music to the family Von Trump somewhere in the Australia during World War I? A. Sister Act. B. The West Side Story. C. Titanic. D. The Sound of Music. It's 40 items lang naman ito, everyone. Kaya siguro hindi na tayo makakaabot ng 10,000 na hearts, no? It's lang naman po ito 40 items ang part 1. Next, tomorrow, part 2 tayo ng diagnostic. Yes po. Wala pa ha. Ayan po yung mga movie na tinutukoy doon. But the correct answer would be letter D, The Sound of Music po ha. The Sound of Music. Thank you, Mikaela and Lynn, for following. Thank you so much. Yes po, The Sound of Music po ang correct answer. Ayun, marami nag-follow. Thank you so much, JBM, Lucky Girl, Clara. Thank you so much, everyone, for following. Always na kayo manonotify kapag meron tayong live session dito sa ating group, sa ating TikTok. Thank you so much. And then, guys, sa mga post ko dyan sa TikTok, pwede nyo siya i-download. Very helpful siya ng mga reviewer. Ayan sa TikTok, just download siya. Kasi most especially yung ProofEd, kasi yung binigay ko na mga meaning is Tagalog version, meaning to say, madali nyo talaga maintindihan yung ating ProofEd. So, visit nyo lang guys yung ating mga reviewer dyan sa ating post dito sa TikTok. And then sa Facebook also, nag-a-upload din ako ng mga reviewer. Just message o visit nyo lang yung ating Facebook page. May nagbabalik. In Psalm 23, otherwise known as Psalm of David, what is the closest meaning to the line, He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still water. Wow, ayan, umabot na nga ng 10,000. Thank you so much. Very talaga kayo guys. Very helpful. Very generous. Napaka-generous nyo guys. Hopefully na hindi lang hindi lang sa ganitong live tayo mag-uusap-usap, no? Hopefully na sa susunod nating live, yung actual live na natin na nagde-discuss, hopefully na kayo ay makakapunta, then makikinig para at least maging prepared kayo sa ating March 2020, September 2026 licensure examination for professional teacher. Yes po, it's letter B. Bravo. He will provide peace and prosperity. No worries, ma'am. And good to know, everyone. Meron na po kaming collection na mga naging lumabas, no? Mga lumabas noong March. Just magpa-member lang kayo sa group chat para at least aware kayo sa mga lumabas last March 2026. Hindi po fix po yung aming time every day kasi may work din po kasi ako. Pero reassure to you guys na kapag nagla-live ako, manonotify lang din naman kayo kasi naka-follow kayo sa ating TikTok. Yes, ma'am. I-share ko, ma'am, yung mga lumabas kapag magsa-start na tayo sa session natin sa group chat. Don't worry, ma'am Vanessa. Wag ka munang mabahala sa Filipino major. 34, not all ed in verbs sounds alike. Which ed is different? No worries, ma'am. Very lang naman yan. Kayang-kaya yan, ma'am. Yes po, letter D. She signed a contract. Kung napapansin nyo, needed, granted, wanted. Hindi naman pwede signed. Di ba? Hindi naman pwede ang signed. She signed a contract. Letter D ang tamang sagot kasi yung parang hindi natin pinopronounce yung ed sa letter D, sign, 'di ba? Unlike sa A, needed, B, granted, C, wanted, 'di ba? It's letter D po ang tamang sagot. Classroom. How about this? Which of these capitalized word do not rhyme? Alin dyan ang hindi nagra-rhyme? Easy to bear. Let's give a cheer. I know to clear. It shows sheer. What letter F? Sir Jason. Please follow everyone. Please follow everyone. Thank you so much sa mga nagpa-follow. Ma-manifesting natin ang mga nagpa-follow. Thank you, Sir JN. Thank you, Sir JN, for following. Manifesting kay Sir JN. Normal. Thank you, J Grain. Yes, the correct answer is letter A po, beer. It's beer po. Ang hindi nagra-rhyme. Beer. Cheer, clear, sheer. Ang beer, hindi naman mo B. Try to pronounce the cheer, clear, and sheer. Di ba do pare-pareho lang? However, ang beer, it's letter B. Wait lang everyone. Nangyari dito sa ating ano. Okay na magkamali, it's okay. Diagnostic pa lamang po ito. Brr. 36. Which is the best way to write underlined portion of this sentence? The studies revealing that, for various reasons, girls spend less time working with computer than boys. A. Revealing studies. B. Studies revealed. C. Studies revelations. Letter D. Studies will reveal. What would be your answer? So, 4 items na lang guys. Tapos na tayo for our diagnostic part 1. I think tomorrow we will continue to part 2, diagnostic. Last na lang tomorrow na diagnostic kasi next live natin is actual session na everyone sa ating preparation for September takers. Hello Kiona, how are you? Okay ka na ba? Are you, ano na ba? Stress-free ka na po ngayon kasi tapos na yung March takers. Tapos na po kayong mag-exam. Alright, the correct answer. Perfect. Buti naman po kung ganun. Yes. Letter B, studies revealed po. Letter B. Studies revealed that ni-revealed na po kasi. Revealed. The study revealed. Letter B po is our correct answer. Wow, sana all magtatap. Hindi ka po ba nahirapan sa Prof Ed? Ikaw lang po ang bumalik dito na hindi nag-comment ng ang lala ng Prof Ed. Marami na po kaninang bumalik dito na member natin sa batch 1 at mga nanonood last time na kumuha ng March. Lahat sila ang comment dito sa live natin is lala daw, nahirapan daw sila sa Prof Ed. Pero ikaw po ay hindi man lang nag-comment, meaning to say kinaya mo po talaga. Kinaya mo po talaga ang Prof Ed. Kaya mo yan, SG Online Shop. Sana all may online shop. So, ano po yung sagot niyo, teachers? September. Ano bang question number 1? Ba't kayo nasa shock sa number 1? Hindi ba siya like neutral lang siya? I mean, hindi lang siya like for example, talagang na-shock talaga kayo sa number 1? Number 1 question pa lang. Na-shock na talaga kayo kaagad? Yes, the correct answer is letter B. Hi, Sagittarius. Thank you so much, ma'am. Oh my goodness. Let go and let God na lang talaga, ma'am. Kaya yan, papasa yan. Yes, letter B po ang tamang sagot. Thank you, Nor Hamin, for following. Thank you so much. 37, the flower smells sweetly, sweeter, sweet, more sweet. Yes, kaya yan, Ma'am Kiona. Magdagat ka na po. Tapos na po yung exam nyo. Magdagat na po kayo. Lumangoy na po kayo sa dagat. The flower smells sweet. The flower smells sweetly. Ano bang mas magandang pakinggan? The flower smells sweeter or the flower smells more sweet? I see a lot of letter C. Are you sure it's letter C? Sweet? Sana all na oo na. Yes po. Perfect kayo dyan. Tumpak. Sweet po. Hoy, ba't may letter A? Ba't may letter D? Letter C ang tamang sagot, everyone. Sweet lang. The flower smells sweet. 39. If I could speak Spanish, I blank studying next year in Spain. If I could speak Spanish, I blank studying next year in Spain. Will spend, would have spent, has spent, would spend. It's a future, di ba? Future na siya. If I could speak Spanish, I blank studying next year. Kasi next year pa siya. Anong dapat natin gagamitin kapag future tense? Beb, focus tayo sa another set of sentence, Beb. I studying blank next year. Ayan, iba-iba ang sagot. Yes po. It's letter D, would spend po. Letter D po, I would spend studying next year in Spain. I would be rather Cheka. I will use my voice to influence the youth, and I will raise awareness to certain causes, which is HIV awareness that is timely and relevant to my country, which is the Philippines. I want to show the world, the universe rather, that I confidently beautiful with a heart. Ano daw? Alright, last item, 40, the last number. Follow kayo everyone para ma-notify kayo kapag magla-live tayo dito, guys. No, follow everyone. She is a vision of a feminine pulchritude. Famous to, guys, no? Si pulchritude. Parang ang hirap i-pronounce. Pulchritude. Ugliness, plainness, beauty, homeliness. Thank you for following, everyone. Thank you so much. Yes, bye ma'am. Thank you so much din. Papasa ka na po this season. Yes po, beauty po. Hindi po letter B ha. Beauty is a falsitude. It's beauty. Alright everyone, thank you so much for your time, and tomorrow is another set naman tayo, part 2. So marami pa yan everyone. So tomorrow na naman tayo ulit. So make sure na kayo ay yes po, thank you so much. Make sure na mag-follow everyone para ma-notify kayo sa susunod. Magpa-member na kayo sa aming group chat para avail nyo na yung mga reviewer natin, yung mga updated reviewer natin, at mga lumabas na question noong March. Magpa-member na kayo everyone. Message nyo lang po ako dito sa TikTok. Again, message nyo lang ako dito sa TikTok. Re-replyan ko kayo after ng ating live ngayon. So, very affordable lang siya, ma'am. So, ang mga question natin dito is same with sa mga review center kasi last time yung ating final coaching dito ay lumabas din sa final coaching ng mga review center. So, magpa-member na everyone. Make sure na mag-message lang dito sa aking TikTok para ma-add ko po kayo sa aming group chat sa Facebook. So, tapos na po yung batch 1. Marami pong member ang natin yung batch 1 kasi sila yung March taker. So, tapos na po ang laban nila. So, thank you so much everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.